Many of us have been wondering whether it's possible to invest in crypto while still complying with Sharia law, without interest, speculation, and still making a profit. The answer is yes. Yesterday, we often debated whether crypto is halal or haram, regarding trading laws, and so on. There are already solutions like Islamic accounts. But we won't discuss that. Instead, we'll discuss Binance's new product, Sharia Earn, a staking service, or the first halal in the world. So this Sharia Earn has been certified directly by a money advisor, a global Sharia advisory institution. Now for friends who don't know about Sharia finance. It is a financial system that avoids interest or usury, then excessive speculation or gharar, and unethical sectors such as gambling or alcohol. Well, we know that in crypto the sector is very broad. There is gaming, there is DeFi, there are main, and so on. There are even some for illegal transactions such as terrorism or maybe gambling, alcohol, or maybe free sex. Well, with the existence of an Islamic account or Sharia Earn or whatever it is, the coins that enter the list will be very sorted according to the principles of Islamic finance. Okay, so let's just go straight to Binance. Let's give an example first. Then you guys in this search above you can click, then you search just Sharia Earn. Well, we click, then here in the function you just click enter. Yes, well here because it's still new. Yes friends, yes, there are still only 3 products. This is BNB, then Ethereum, and also Solana. Well, if a little yes, because this is still new. Then what is the difference with regular staging and banners? Well, this is important, yes, because Sharia Earn avoids usury, so the reward does not come from interest, then avoids gharar, so there is no excessive uncertainty, then avoids unethical sectors as we have explained earlier. And also of course this has been certified by Sharia scholars from a money advisor, so this is not just branding from regular staking. Yes, this is really separated, checked, and certified to comply with Islamic law. Okay, then here we see there are 3 coin lists. Yes, there is BNB with its system, namely the one that is locked for 15 days, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, and 120 days with APR, which are different. Then here there is Ethereum with 2.45% April, and also Solana with 6.78% April. Okay, let's take an example first on BNB. Friends, here on Delop, and there is 0.16% APR for BNB. The minimum is 0.1 BNB. In 15 days, 30 days 0.05, 60 days and 90 days and 120 days 0.05 BNB. Well, let's see. Here for 15 days with 0.16% APR, we also enter 1 BNB. Well, if you enter 1 BNB, friends, your estimated reward is 0.000657 BNB. So how is the actual APR calculated? For example, if the APR is 1%, then in 1 year you will get 1% of your total assets. So if you only log 5 days, from 1 year you divide it again into 15 days. Likewise with 120 days, 1 year is divided by 4 months like that, so later. For example, the APR 0.321, yes, 1 BNB, later you just multiply it to 0.32%, then divide by 4. So then you will find 0.00105524 BNB like that, friends. Well, if you have just tick below and you confirm the note, yes, you have to consider the duration because this BNB is not flexible. So you consider it with your own analysis whether you want to lock for 15 days, 30 days, 60 days, 90 or 120. You consider according to your respective situations and conditions. Okay, then here there is Ethereum and also Solana. This is flexible, and also the April is also quite large, which is 2.45% and 6.78%. Well, let's try clicking on Ethereum A from Ethereum. Later your Ethereum token will be converted to 1W Beth or Rapid Beacon Ethereum. Well, for the conversion there is 1 to 1.0742528 like that. You just click subscribe if you are curious, then you enter for example 1 Ethereum. Well, here the monthly estimated rewards are around 0.02044 Ethereum. If you want to change it to daily, you can. If you want to change it to yearly, you can do that, friends. Well, you consider if you have 10 Ethereum, then within 1 year you will get a bonus of 0.24528 Ethereum. Okay, if you have just click next, yes, 0.1 here for example the minimum is 0.001. Yes, for Ethereum, yes, we will give an example here. There is an available balance of around 0.01. We just max and then we click next. Well, you read, then you tick all. For redemption, not necessarily yes, it can be 6 days, then you click confirm if you want. Then besides Ethereum there is Solana, friends, with an APR of around 6.78%. This is quite big for a Sharia product. Yes, for Solana this is almost the same as Ethereum, where your token will be converted to BN Sol with a conversion ratio of 1/1.0629. You just click subscribe, friends, then you enter how many Solana you want to stake for a minimum of 0.01 Solana. Well, here, what's quite interesting, apart from the April, there is also an April from Boost airdrop rewatch. Well, here you just click on it. Here there is a layer, then the dimension, pixel and ace there is this date, so you just open it when you will be updated again. If there is an addition it will definitely be included again. Well, here there is a layer of about 0.42%, dimension of about 0.18%, pixel 0.14 and about 0.12 with different durations. Well, we just click for example 0.05 Solana. Then you next, then you check. Check, you read, make sure you read well here. For the problem itself, it could be redemption for about 2 to 3 days, but actually you can directly trade from BSOL to SOL if I'm not mistaken, but you can directly convert from BSOL to SOL if I'm not mistaken. Then you click confirm if you can enter the spot wallet. This is your SOL. Yes, earlier, here there are BN Sol. Now if you want to redeem directly your friends, just click on it and you can sell it like this. You can also do it or you want to redeem from the Sharia early. Now for the rewards. What form will it take for BNB itself? The rewards will be paid directly daily in our spot wallet based on the fixed APR. How much was that? Then for Ethereum and Solana, later, the rewards will be WBAD and BN Sol. The value will also increase over time. The rewards, God willing, are 100% halal and you can claim them anytime, transparently and on-chain. Why is this important? Because countries like Saudi Arabia, Pakistan have started to transition to a full Sharia financial system. And Indonesia or Malaysia are Muslim countries, with Indonesia itself having 230 million inhabitants, the majority of whom are also Muslim. But the implementation of Sharia products in these countries is very low. Only around 2%, even though the market potential can reach tens of millions of users. So then this Sharia is here to fill the gap, to provide access to ethical, halal crypto investments and still be profitable. Well, this is a breakthrough for friends who are confused. Bro, staking is the law halal or haram? Bro, is their interest like in banks? Is it usury or what? Then with this Sharia Earn product it can answer your questions. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to join our next crypto lecture and bye.